Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing of another Apple product on my YouTube channel. It's getting old at this point. Basically, I love Apple, I love their company, and I love what they do, I love what they stand for, and that's why I buy all their products. So I have a MacBook, I have this Apple Watch, I have the Apple Watch that I'm gonna unbox, I have AirPods. So the reason why I'm getting this Apple Watch is because this Apple Watch, it started to malfunction. Not actually, it's just that it's really slow and I want my Apple Watch to be fast because I want to change music. For example, if I want to change a song, I'll click on here and then 5 seconds will pass and then the song would like change, you know. It's like if I don't want to listen to something, I don't want to listen to something right now. I don't want to wait 5 seconds and then leave. Yeah, but now that that's out of the way, let's, oh my god, my camera is at 14%. Yeah, so let's start the unboxing. Oof. Okay, I want to open it in front of you. Okay, let me open it in front of you guys because I'm not trying to be that freaking person. Oh, which way does it? Oh, it opens this. I was opening it the wrong way. Oh my god, look at the fucking packaging. This is why I love Apple. This is not even the, this is like the regular box for like the mail, but oh my god. Hey, let's take you out of here. So as you can see right here, it is the Apple Watch Series 5 and it has the gold and whatever, and it's the 40mm. I went to the Apple store the other day and I saw that the 40mm look a little bit better. This is for the thumbnail. Can I get some more lighting right here? I get really excited when unboxing Apple products. Like Apple, I wish to work with them someday. So Apple hit me up. Oh my god, look at this. Take a peek at this. And this is not even the freaking packaging itself. This is like literally the thing. Look. Wait, let me put this down here. Like, look at this. There's the band right here that I ordered like another band because I do not like this one and I do want something different. So here's the other band. But let's focus on the Apple Watch right now. Oh my god, it comes in like this little cute thingy. Okay, this is how it comes in the box. What else comes in here? Is it too small? Oh my god. Nah, I don't think so. Okay, let's see. Let's try this. Let me get this off of here. I don't think it's really that small. Just look at it. I don't think it is that small. And let's see what's in the box, because that's an unboxing. Like, this is an unboxing, so we should be checking out what's in the box. Oh my god, I didn't know they included one of this in the box, which is like fine. And then the cable and okay, that's it. Now let's open the watch band. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Let me get her out of here. Okay, it is spare. No, I'm gonna set it up as a new watch. I'm gonna use this watch on my left hand. Who has time to read all of those? I wonder how pretty this watch is. Right now, it's gonna install all the apps and it's like basically teaching me how to like use it or whatever, but I already know. Okay guys, so that was basically it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for being here. What is this? If you wanna follow me on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok, well, Instagram and TikTok are IamNiniX and Twitter is Nix. Basically it. Thank you so much for being here and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.